Namaskar, I am Sunil Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our weekly weather discussion program today, that is 16th May 2024. I am discussing about the past 1 week weather and what will be expected forecast during next 2 weeks. This is the major system during past 1 week. Here you can see the 1 WD is even 2 WD affected over northwest India and many cyclone circulation over central and southern peninsular India and trough from northwest India to northeast India and wind discontinuity over the central parts of India. Due to these many systems, good rainfall amount is occurred in over the country, especially over central and southern peninsular India during past 24 hours. And this is the observed rainfall during past 1 week. Here you can see that the entire country received rainfall, especially central and southern peninsular India, East India and Northeast India, except some parts of East UP and Northwest Rajasthan, where the rainfall is spatial distribution is less. And the yellow color also indicate that heavy rainfall also occurred in southern peninsular India and central India, and that some orange color also indicate that heavy to very heavy rainfall also occurred in isolated pockets over this region. And now this is the observed heavy rainfall. Here you can see that southern peninsular India and central India, including East Rajasthan, 1 day heavy rainfall occurred. Saurashtra also 2 days over MP, West MP, and 3 days over Odisha, 2 days Bihar, and like that. In especially southern peninsular India, Tamil Nadu, Kerala received 5, 6, 7 days heavy rainfall, including heavy to very heavy rainfall over Kerala on 10th, Tamil Nadu on 10th and 13th, South Himalayan West Bengal on 12th, Telangana on 13th, and coastal Andhra Pradesh and South Indian Karnataka on 14th May 2024. Now this is the hailstorm. Here you can see the activity confined especially over central India, where the hailstorm occurred in all the days, especially MP, all 7 days past week, and 4-5 days over Vidarbha, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada, and over Uttarakhand also. Himalayan, especially Jammu Kashmir or Haryana, East UP also experienced hailstorm in 1 day. Now this is the gusty wind. Here you can see that in entire country where the rainfall is occurred due to the thunderstorm and gusty wind happened over the country during past 1 week in many days. And this is the heat wave. Heat wave also occurred in isolated pockets over West Rajasthan on 9th and 10th. Later on, no heat wave was observed over the country due to the active rainfall activity over the country. Now I am discussing about the weekly rainfall and seasonal rainfall. Here you can see that except Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, West UP, his rainfall was good over the especially in northern parts of country, except northern part of the country and northeast India. If I am talking overall rainfall during past 1 week, that section wise as sector wise as East Northeast India was received minus 47 percentage departure, and Northwest India minus 27 percentage departure. Central India was in positive 10 plus 165%, and southern peninsular India also in positive 58%. If I'm talking overall rainfall over the country in last 1 week, you can see that departure was plus 6% over the country. And now I'm discussing about the seasonal rainfall. Here you can see that many red color is indicating that deficit of monsoon over these regions, especially West Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, entire Northeast India, including Sikkim, SIK, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. If I am discussing about the sector-wise rainfall, you can see that Northeast and East India departure is minus 30, Northwest India minus 40. However, Central India is plus 82, and Southern Peninsular India is also minus 33. Overall departure is minus 12%. Now I am discussing about the synoptic system of today. Here you can see that one cyclonic circulation over northwest Rajasthan, another east Rajasthan, another over west MP, and 2-3 sites are over, one over Jharkhand, Bangladesh and Assam and one over Comorin area. A trough runs also from Comorin area to Lakshadweep and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea. And southwest monsoon is very likely to advance in South Andaman Sea, some parts of Southeast Bay of Bengal and Nicobar Island around 19th May 2024. Now I am discussing about the maximum temperature of today, actually of yesterday. Here you can see that maximum temperature was 42 to more than 42 over the northwest India, plains of northwest India and rest part of the around 40 degree centigrade. However, no heat wave was observed yesterday, and you can see the departure also. Only the northwest and northeast India is positive trend, other than country is green or blue indicate in negative or no large departure. Now this is the weather warning during next 5 days. Here you can see that heat wave is likely to expected over West India today. It is likely to enhance with special and intensity towards northern parts, and day after tomorrow it's over the entire northern parts of India, including central India, East India and Northwest India on day 3, day 4, day 5. And thunderstorm activity also expected today over southern peninsular India, central and southern peninsular India, which is likely to continue during next 4-5 days. Including this, heavy to very heavy rainfall also expected over southern peninsular India during next 4-5 days. And extremely heavy rainfall also expected today over Tamil Nadu and day 3, and heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely to expected over Tamil Nadu, Kerala on day 3, day 4, day 5. This is the maximum temperature during past 1 week. Here you can see on 9th May over Rajasthan 46.2, 10th May over Bikaner 45.5, 11th May over Madhya Maharashtra 43.5, and 12th May over West Madhya Pradesh 43.2, 13th May East Rajasthan 43.1, 14th May over Odisha 44, and 15th May West Rajasthan 44.4. Here you can see the maximum temperature was recorded on 9th May, which was 46.2 degrees centigrade over Phalodi, East Rajasthan. Now I am discussing about the rainfall warning during next 2 weeks. Here you can see that blue color indicate the good rainfall amount is likely to expected over southern peninsular India, and white color shows near normal rainfall over the rest part of the country except northern parts of the country, especially Western Himalayan region and northeast state, where is the rainfall is likely to expected below normal during the week. Now on week 2, here you can see that advancement of southwest monsoon is likely to happen over Andaman Nicobar Island, which is cause good rainfall amount over that region, and approaching of southwest monsoon towards Kerala is also expected, and the good rainfall amount is also expected over the west coast of the, especially southwest coast of the country on week 2. Now I am discussing about the maximum temperature. Here you can see that temperature is more than 45 degree centigrade also expected over the plains of northwest India, and the anomaly also shows that this is the prone zone of the heat wave during the next week, especially over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, GWB, and week 2 also expected the same, including the central India is also increased the maximum temperature with anomaly. So expected heat wave is also on week 2 also. Now this is the outlook. Here you can see that high probability over this region, especially plains of northwest India, and moderate over central and adjoining India, and East India is also expected also moderate on week 1, and week 2 over that entire this northern parts of country is expected heat wave in low probability and moderate over the Rajasthan, Gujarat and adjoining West MP, and in East India over Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and interior parts of GWB. Now I am discussing about the forecast for next 2 weeks over cyclogenesis. Here you can see week 1 no cyclogenesis is likely to form. However, in week 2 that shows that moderate cyclogenesis is likely to form. A low pressure area is likely to form over Southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea around 23rd May. There is a moderate possibility for its further intensification into a depression over southeast and adjoining North Andaman Sea in the beginning of second week, and the system is likely to be intensify further and move northeastward during later part of second week. And thank you very much all of you to listening me. You can visit our website for latest more information, including you can visit many social media platforms as Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, where we regularly update the latest warning and any weather phenomena which is likely to affect our region. Thank you very much all of you. Namaskar.